So like today we're talking about how you can like kind of sort of like your videos kind of like suck and all, but it's like you kind of just like don't know I don't know see how crappy that was? That was not even an intro. That's like complete absolute garbage. Today we're going over 3 things you can do to instantly take your videos up to the next level. Okay, so number one, the first thing that you want to do is you want to look at your audience through the lens right here. See, I'm looking right at you guys. Some people, they're like, nah, I'll look at myself on the screen over here, over here, over here, wherever your screen is. You're like, I'll look at myself in the screen and it works, right? No. Eye contact. Even though they're not there, I mean, the camera kind of looks like an eye, like inside, like the lens kind of does. But anyway, you want to make eye contact. You are talking to everybody out there. And how do you do that? You connect with them through this right here, that little thing right there. That's how you connect with people, okay? You want to make eye contact. Because if you're over here just like looking around, just talking, just like, yeah, fun day, but I don't know what else to do, then they're not interested because they can't, they don't feel connected to you. Because when you make eye contact or feel like you're making eye contact, then then your audience can make, what's it called? They can make a connection with you and they feel a part of you. And they're like, yes, he is talking directly to me. And it makes them feel all nice and fuzzy inside. And they're like, yeah. What you want to do is repetition. Like when you're playing football or basketball or soccer or some sort of sport or skateboarding or blah blah, something like that, what do you do to get good at it? You practice. That's simple. If you want to be comfortable on camera, just practice being on camera. Turn that camera on and just start recording, start filming yourself, and then you'll be like, after a while, be like, oh, okay, yeah, I got this, no worries. But if it's like you just sit down and do one take, you're like, hi everybody, so I'm doing a video about camera hack thingies, and like that's just so uncomfortable and cringy to watch. You're like, I don't want to watch this. But like if you're on camera and you like turn on the camera before you start filming yourself, like your actual thing, turn on your camera and just film and just like kind of practice talking and be like get comfortable on the camera and then film your videos. And then start to actually record the stuff that you are going to use. Because you gotta like, you can't just sit down, turn on the camera and be like, hey guys, what's going on, blah, 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 and just start going if it's your first time. 99% of the people out there don't know what to do. They either like freeze or they're like, I don't know. And they stutter and they just don't, it doesn't flow. Like, it's okay to have like a little break in things like you're talking and you lose your train of thought for a second. That's what happens. We're human. But you do it consistently enough, it won't happen as often. It'll be smoother, and you just kind of you get in like the groove. You just vibe and you just. And number 3, what you want to do: take your videos, even if they're not perfect, put them online because your video is never going to be perfect. It's never going to be exactly how you want it. It's never going to happen. Sure, it's good to get as close as you can, but eventually you can only do so much editing. You can only edit and film and do so much with the video. Eventually, you just got to put it online and let people see it. And then with your first videos, or all your videos, this works, but especially your first videos, what you want to do is have people comment on them, be like, hey, we like this, you might want to fix this or adjust this. So take criticism. If people are trying to critique you, don't be like, oh, you hate my videos, how dare you, like, we can't talk, I can't talk to you, no, that's just not nice, you're a terrible person. No, if they are criticizing you, that's a good thing. It means they know you can do better. It means that they want to see you do better. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff down below. If you have any questions or comments or stuff like that, let me know down below. We will see you guys in the next video. Peace.